Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free video audit of the website tilesandsmiles.co.uk. I'm on a homepage, and I love that you're showing your furniture, so it tells me right away what you're selling. What is your niche? I love the logo. I would reduce the header size because it takes unnecessarily a lot of space above the fold, which pushes the rest of the content down the page. Above the fold is the best converting area on any page. So if you can reduce the header, it will definitely help you convert better. So the menu will go higher and people will have a better view of the full image. I would also add a call to action to the image, to each of these images. To link to your collection pages. This text is very difficult to read against busy images, so make sure to optimize it a little bit better. And obviously, I can see that this is linked, but make sure to add call to actions such as shop now, view our range, and so on, which will actually prompt people to shop. Because if someone doesn't hover this image, they don't realize that they can actually click it. So adding call to action, adding shop now button will help you boost sales further. I like the information here: fast and free shipping, best price promise, money back guarantee, which is perfect. Got featured collections here as well, and featured products. Your product titles are pretty SEO friendly, which is great. We've got introduction to the brand. We aim to deliver products nationwide within 3 or 4 days of ordering, which is very nice. Very good so far. I love the navigation in the footer, the professional email address, opening hours, and telephone number, which is perfect. I'll check your product page and contact us page. Okay, I would feature 3 items per row because otherwise those images feel pretty kind of cramped. People don't have this kind of comfort of browsing images, seeing the images clearly. So displaying 3 items per row can stretch those images a little bit further to the full width, which will make the photos much bigger, will give you more white space, which really count toward conversion. So make sure to change the collection page layout. Okay, I'm going to check the product page right now. As you can see, the add to basket is almost disappears above the fold. Well, it does disappear above the fold because of this oversized header area. So as I mentioned, reduce it. So add to cart or add to basket, they are displayed above the fold because they are the most important parts on the product page. They need to be seen above the fold. Don't expect people that they will do all the hard work of scrolling up and down on each product page just to get to the add to cart or the product description. So make sure to optimize this layout a little bit better for conversion. Technical details. I think it should be technical details, but it's not a big error. Okay. Um. Okay. You've got. Let's have a look at the refund policy and other policies as well. Okay. So you've got a unique policy, which is great. I would also add information on how to contact you to request a refund, how to return the items. Obviously, these are heavy goods, so make sure to have a strategy in place. How do people return item? Do they pay for the shipping, or do you collect the items and then take the money off for shipping of the returned products as well? About us page. Okay, it's great. So you talk about your experience, which is absolutely perfect. Okay, it's a great page to build rapport, to show your authority within the niche. Delivery information, you are open online. Okay, for delivery. Okay, it's unique shipping policy. You've got blog and you are posting regularly, which is great as well. Now contact us page. Okay, so everything's in place. Professional email address, contact form, phone number, perfect. And also the location. Okay, that's great. Remember to open social media links in new tabs, otherwise you will be losing a lot of traffic because as when someone clicks on Facebook or Instagram, they open the social media in the same tab. They close your website and it means they completely forget about shopping with you. So open these links in new tabs so people can visit your website, visit your Facebook page, visit your Instagram profile, but still stay on your website, which counts towards your SEO, and they will obviously return to complete the purchase or keep browsing your website. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how our team of Shopify experts can assist you to improve your SEO, to improve your conversion rate, and get ranked for more relevant keywords, please book a free chat. The link is in the email, and I'll be happy to go through each of these elements that I mentioned in the critique and show you how to work on your trust signals and how to boost your conversion rate. So I look forward to chatting with you soon, and thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.